I always knew that I was really interested in working with babies, and I was really passionate about children. I would come home from preschool and I had all these dolls, and I would make my mom pretend to have these babies and birth these dolls so that I could wrap them up and swaddle them and then feed them a bottle and take care of them for the rest of the day. But I connected with Dr. Wetzel through the Muhlenberg Career Center's externship program. Dr. Wetzel was absolutely wonderful. It really felt like while I was there, I wasn't only shadowing him, but he was so warm and welcoming and made it a point that I got to know everyone on the labor unit.
What I love about what we have here is not only did they get that exposure to the field of medicine in general, they get to see a little bit of what an OBGYN does, so they'll get to see the full hospital services at play.
I think the highlight was the overall welcoming environment that their hospital provided, along with the fact that I kind of went in there with a lot of questions because I'm graduating and I'm trying to figure out what my next move is going to be.
One of the great things about Muhlenberg College, I think, is that you get that basic training. But in addition to that, I think it kind of prepares you for life, so that that connection that you have with your professors and with your students. You need to have that kind of social connection and awareness with others, and that's what's going to really be important when you're interacting with patients. So I thought that's part of what Muhlenberg had to offer.
I want to be involved in medicine in a way that I also know that I can relate and actually have one-on-one meaningful conversations with patients. I think between this externship and the other shadowing experiences that I have had over the past few years, I've realized how important it is to actually be present in those settings and see what a day-to-day life actually looks like, and just feel so inspired and realize that what you've been doing for the past 4 years will eventually come to fruition, and you'll be able to experience these things that you've dreamt of doing for your whole entire life.